Hey, affiliate marketers, this is Kelsey. In this video, I want to share with you the 5 criteria that you can use for choosing awesome affiliate products to promote in the marketplace. All right, so let's dive right into this. The first criteria that you want to use is you're looking for world-class quality products. Okay, high level quality products is going to make a huge difference with the type of reputation that you build within the marketplace. All right, you want the trust of your buying audience, so when they begin to trust you and get to know you as someone who recommends high quality products, then you'll build that reputation and attract more high quality customers. All right, the next criteria is you want high in demand products. And how do you determine if a product is in demand? Well, it has to be desired, it has to be valued or useful toward helping someone accomplish a goal or meet a need or solve a problem. And then finally, it has to be affordable. If it's not affordable, then it's not accessible by your audience. So these are the 3 main things that helps determine demand in the marketplace. And you want to choose a product that's high in demand. So choose products that are desirable, valuable, and affordable. All right. The next criteria is you want products that will allow you to earn high or leverage commissions. So we're talking anywhere between 40% to 100% commission. Now, occasionally you might run across some that are within that 30 to 40 range, which that might be okay sometimes if it's a company or an affiliate program that allows you to earn not just from one level of commissions from just uh, one sale or one referral, but if you can earn from multi tiers, meaning they allow you to earn from the initial purchase that's made by your referral, as well as every other purchase that's made by that same referral inside their ecosystem, then you might want to consider a lower commission rate. But the standard is between 40% and 100%. 100% is the best, right? So high or leverage commissions is what you're looking for. Next, you want a solid company, right? If you can find a company that has a proven vision, mission, values, great strategy, high level leadership, this is the type of company that you want to source your products from. This is the type of company you want to be in a relationship with. Why? Because that screams long-term sustainability, and that's the type of business that you want to build. Why not collaborate with other businesses just like yours? So you're looking for a solid company with solid leadership. And then finally, you're looking for products within booming industries. All right. So the booming industries that I'm referring to is first starting off with the top 3. We're talking about products that deal with problems such as wealth problems, health problems, and relationship problems. These are the top 3 niches, right? Some say niche, some say niche. I say niche, but just think about product categories. All right. And these product categories are designed to solve specific problems. So the major categories are the wealth, health, and relationships niche. But then you have these sub niches or subcategories, and that involves categories such as e-learning, that's your digital courses, online education. You have the tech industry, and you're talking hosting, you're talking about software technologies, all of those type of things. And then the next thing is investing. That's a popular sub niche as well. That's starting to boom as more people start to gain interest in wanting to become wealthy. They wanted to retire. They wanted to leave their jobs and all of these things. So they wanted to know how to gain access to assets. So investing is a huge thing now. So these are the booming industries that you want to source products from. Okay, so I hope you got great value from today's video in reference to this topic of the 5 criteria for choosing the most awesome affiliate products to promote in the marketplace. If you like this type of content, be sure to like the video. Also, give me a thumbs up, right? like, love, whatever you would like to do, just smash that like button. Also, comment on the video, is what I really wanted to say. Then hit that bell notification as well, because when I release new content regarding this subject matter, you will be able to get notified as soon as I release it. And if you hadn't subscribed, subscribe, right? What are you waiting on? I would love for you to become a subscriber in my affiliate marketing community. Other than that, I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video.